First, you should check and turn on System Vibration from Settings. Open the Settings app, scroll to Accessibility, then scroll to the Touch option and find the Vibration setting. Turn the toggle on to enable all system vibrations. Now, make sure vibration is on for ringtone and alerts. If your iPhone isn't vibrating on silent or at all, open the Settings app, scroll to Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down to Haptics and select Always Play to allow haptics when your iPhone rings or gets an alert. To make it vibrate in silent mode, turn on Vibration for Silent mode, using the Action button by holding it down until you feel the haptic, or from the control center like this. Next, check the default or custom ringtone vibration. Under Ringtone, select the phone line if you have dual SIM. Then tap Haptics at the top and set a default or create a custom vibration. Don't select None, as that disables vibration for incoming calls. Go back and check the haptic vibration settings for message notifications and alerts. Once everything's set up correctly, make a test call and see if the vibration works as expected. If it still doesn't, try resetting all settings. This won't erase your data or media. Go to Settings, tap General, scroll to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Reset All Settings. Confirm with your passcode, and after your iPhone reboots, follow the steps in the video description to enable vibration again. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more free tech guide updates.